I think I've been an artist since I was a little girl. I kind of always marched to the beat of my own drum, and my parents really let me experiment, whether it was with what I was wearing to school or materials I was playing with. So I've really always felt like an artist, and I definitely still have that childlike wonder and awe about me. My name's Amber. My artist name's Amberella. I share art in public spaces all over the world.
My name is Nataly Parson, and I'm a mosaic artist from Castle Rock, Colorado. It's been quite a journey. I was born in Moscow, Russia. When we moved to the United States, we found ourselves in a pretty tough financial situation. I needed something to calm my mind. I turned to mosaic as my meditation.
In college, I remembered learning about public art, and I fell in love with being able to just put something out there and walk away from it. The hearts really came about because I was going through a very difficult time in my life. I just would feel something and I would put it in the heart and I would go and put it up in the street. Every single heart has its own story. They at first were about love and relationship, and then I started doing a lot of personal growth work, and I was like, I'm making these for me now.
I was amazed by the possibilities of working with 3 different layers. They will combine and give you this final result that you rarely get with other materials.
This mosaic is being made of all the treasures, aka trash, that power is removing from people's homes. What is this? Ooh. I think it's really fun to take those pieces from all these different lives and use them to make something beautiful.
When I was told that this project will go to the Rice School, I really wanted to create something that would be clear for small kids.
The Rice School of Denver is an early childhood center serving kids with and without disabilities. The artist, Nataly, was using recycled glass from the jobs that Power completed recently.
Okay, 1, 2.
This mosaic is going to live at the Boys and Girls Club of Chester.
The idea that we're going to have a mosaic here, it's going to be in our building, it's something that's permanent. We're really excited about it.
We need your help with something.
We gave them 3 different options, and it was pretty unanimous in that they chose BU. I get so many messages from people about a moment in time that they saw the heart in perfect timing. I trust myself to know to put something in a certain spot, and it has impact in ways that I could have never imagined.
I think the mosaic is going to have an awesome impact. And anybody that sees anything that says something like "be you," it has to affect you.
It doesn't matter what your friend thinks. It's just your opinion. Be you.
It's a powerful message. It's be you. I want you. And the world wants to feel all of our magic. It's important that they have that message there as a reminder to not stop being themselves.
I decided to create an ocean theme mosaic because, in my opinion, ocean is something that gives you the feeling of peace. I hope they will like it.
And 1, and 2, and 3. You'll say whale?
Whales so like it feels like this.
We are a preschool, so a lot of our things are child-made or pictures of kiddos. We don't have anything quite this nice in the building, so it's a really beautiful focal point to have right when you walk into the school.
With this art being here, I hope I inspire someone to be more creative because it makes me happy. And if someone will be more involved in art, maybe this world will be a better place.